Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2012 Hyundai Sonata, and we're going to go over how you would pair your phone to this vehicle. So you can hit the phone button or you can go through the menu button, right? But we'll just hit the phone button and it's saying add a phone from your Bluetooth connected there, right? And so then we've got that come up. You're going to go through your phone. You're going to hold the Bluetooth button, and then you're going to have your list of paired devices. And now it's asking us to type in the PIN. And then it says, so our phone has been connected, and now you would be able to make phone calls from your phone. Now, if you're just renting the vehicle, borrowing the vehicle, and say you don't want your phone to stay connected, also your contacts is trying to download the contacts. I don't want to download my contacts, but if you did, you just hit the yes and it'll auto download all your contacts, and then you can stream your audio from your phone to your radio or anything like that. But say you want to delete the phone, you can also go into the phone screen, and we can go over here to the setup, and then you can scroll down using the tuner button, scroll down to the phone, and then click on the S8 or whichever phone your phone is, and you can delete it. You can also, from this menu, if you hit the setup button, see this? If you hit the setup button, that puts you into the same screen, and you can hit phone, and then you compare a phone, and it goes through that same process. There's two ways to get into there, whether you hit the setup or the phone button, and the phone button, if it recognizes no phone, it's going to ask you to pair your phone, and then you can go ahead and go through that process. So that's how you would pair and disconnect your phone whenever you need to on your 2012 Hyundai Sonata. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.